Hey guys, it's Peter Nukasani, and I wanted to make a quick video sharing a credit product that we've actually been using for the last 2 to 3 years now in our land business, which has been really helpful for us. So, a lot of us are familiar with like traditional credit cards, right? You can carry a balance, and that's great. There's a use for that. But some of us also don't like carrying balances on our credit cards and are reluctant to probably use credit cards for that reason. And that's actually why this company was first around. It was called Divvy, and they were acquired Bill.com recently. And they have a really interesting credit product. So this is it's a charge card almost. So meaning that you can't carry a tradition like a balance or whatever, but if you have small expenses or other, expenses that you want to pay off right away within a week or two without getting charged interest, this Divvy card, which is, or now you call it the Bill.com Divvy card, is a Visa card that's like a charge card, and it pays off every week or two, which might be an advantage or not an advantage, but you get a ton of credit card points and rewards by using this. So if you have expenses that you don't mind paying off right away without carrying the balance, this product has been really useful. And they have a lot of technology and they make available to their customers. For example, there's this thing called virtual cards. So they're like credit cards and they're part of your credit line with Divvy that you can turn on and off like directly in the app. So I use that for our employees. Like if I want them to make some expenses, use the card for expenses without giving them like a major credit card that we have. I'll usually give them the virtual card through Divvy, and you can set expense limits on there. So let's say you only authorize 500 bucks or $1,000 that can be spent by your employee. You could set that in the app, and you can turn on and off these virtual cards, which are really useful, and you get rewards. So for example, like I didn't even know this was a perk. I just signed up for the fact that there was credit and like virtual cards, and I ended up getting like 100 or 150,000 points that I recently found out. So you get more points because I don't know how it works, but since you're paying it off earlier in a week, they're able to give out more points than traditional credit cards. So yeah, check this out and let me know your thoughts.